We have actually run into someone that has an incident with a cat right now, and they want to tell us all about it.
Yeah, I thought this would be a normal rainstorm, but then this cat came through my roof.